So yesterday we are talking about the advances to vendors, right? That program and account assignment I discussed, correct? Where is that program? Right? Lost it. Right, no problem. Why many people are missing today? Weekend, huh?
Maybe, sir.
Maybe, sir. Somebody will join lately.
Yeah, maybe.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Yes, advances. Anybody has done the practice?
No,
sir.
Yes, sir. We are not able to get the access to the software.
I know
Yes, we
there is
lost
a
all.
problem, na? There is a problem issue, I believe. Yeah. Someone is eagerly deleting everything, whatever they have. I think he has joined here only to.
We are not able to get access to the software only.
Yeah. So they are trying to restore, but I don't know whether it worked or not. That's
Sir, yesterday when I asked you, you said to speak with server access guy, no sir. He said that the server has been crashed, sir.
okay.
So I just want to know whether this is happening for me or else other users also.
No, server crash
same
means everybody.
Then the old data will be lost, no sir, if they format.
If they format, it will be lost, yes.
No,
So that's why. Yeah, for some it's working. There are about 6 to 7 servers are there. The problem is with only one server, right?
Yeah,
So
it's
you are just unlucky, right? That only that server you got the access before. So only those people who are given access in that server, those people will have the problem.
Then it will be restored, sir.
Yeah. So either they will give you the access to another server or they will provide a new server. Okay?
No sir, then we have to do from starting onwards.
Yeah, we can do it.
Starting means what? How much where you are just vendor creation, na? Yeah, 21 steps here you have to do. Then start with AP direct finish.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Good also one way it is good because you will be getting the extra practice.
Yeah,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah.
But how many days it will take, sir?
They said it will take 1 day.
Okay.
So otherwise you can ask to give access to another server. They will give it in another server, right? Which is running. You can do that.
Can you scroll down, sir?
Yesterday, somewhere I lost it. That notepad is not there.
100% down payment completed.
Yeah. So now today I am going to talk about the partial down payment.
Sir, I just want to ask one now. We can create this company code again in that server, sir. In that access.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. New one. Yeah. New one. I mean, you can create as it is because it is a fresh server. Na? Again, you can.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Sir, for me, all of the accounts which I've created, those are all gone. It's showing the blank page.
Yeah. So server has been reset, I believe. Formatting they have done because there were a couple of issues. Main configuration data has been deleted. Some problems have popped up.
So for that, again, when I try to create the new account as well, it's saying that start of account is also missing. So I need to do it from start.
From scratch you have to do. That's why I always recommend. Again, I am saying if it is possible for you to have it installed in your own laptop, that is the best option. So those who are nearby in the same city, please go and get it installed in your laptop. If you have your own laptop, get it installed, then nobody will touch it. Right? Perfectly, it will be working fine. Yeah. So that is the second option you have.
Sir, say again, sir. What we should do, sir?
If you can go to the institute and get it loaded, right? Get it installed on your own laptop.
It's only possible for those who are in Hyderabad, right?
Correct. Yes.
Will they have to pay money, sir?
Of course you have to pay. Yeah. Of course you have to pay. Because it will be time consuming. It will take about a couple of hours, 4 to 6 hours or something it will. Okay?
Excuse me, sir. Can you hear me?
What they will charge, sir? I think it's 4 to 500. Exactly. You check with them. Not much, 4 to 500 bucks. That's, yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
And it will need lot of GB. It will need at least 500 GB hard disk and minimum 4 GB RAM on your system, right? It will occupy lot of space on your laptop. Okay? Right? So if you are ready for it, go get it installed.
That SAP software will need to get installed.
Yeah, SAP software they will install. It will take about 320 GB of your hard disk. So laptop, if you have 500, almost 90% will be used by SAP only. Okay?
It's offline software, right?
Offline. You don't need internet to use it later on.
Yeah.
Okay? Right.
Sir, those who are out of Hyderabad?
Out of Hyderabad, the news is not good for you, right? You just have to continue the way it is. Right? There also no problem. Once in a while, these kind of issues will come, formatting. I don't think the problem has come for you, right? You are okay?
No, sir. My also a few data were deleted.
So, I mean, those company and all, 1 or 2 steps, it's okay. But for them, entire system got corrupted, so they have to reinstall it. Okay? Yeah. If you want, so those who are continuing, it's well and good, right? Not a serious problem that, you need to urgently buy a laptop and get it installed. Not like that also. Okay? If you have a spare laptop and you want to have relaxed thing, you can get it installed. Okay? No. So if you want to know, I'm talking about the partial down payment. If you want goods and services worth 50,000. Yes.
Okay, just please share the yesterday's notes.
Yesterday's notes, unfortunately, I lost it. I am going to type it again. Yeah, don't worry.
So,
Yes.
I had a doubt regarding the full down payment. Yesterday you tried to knock off like F-44. That time I have taken a special real account as A, right? So if we have multiple documents, at that time also can we take A, or else do we need to pick with a particular document number?
No, you will give A, later on you can match whatever you want. Right? From the next screen you will select blue color will come na. There you can select whatever you want.
And otherwise, if you know document number to us, directly can we touch that single document and we can clear off?
No, you are not going by document number there, na? That screen is not designed for going by the document number. If you see here,
By vendor
we will go, right? Vendor itself is enough. From vendor, you can select. After going to that screen, again you can select the document number. Okay. FB60, what dot you have?
Expense account, sir.
Expense account, what dot?
Why we take
Where in FB60, your question is why we take expenses here? Huh? Okay. So there are two things, right? When you are buying, you buy goods or services, right? Correct? So when you buy goods, it is purchases account. When you buy services, it is expense account. That's why we are taking. Okay?
Repeat once again.
See, when we are buying, Whenever we are spending the money, whenever we want to buy anything, whenever we want to purchase anything, what you will purchase? You will purchase a good or a service.
Yes.
Correct? If it is a good, then it will be purchases account, that material
Nothing but
account.
it is GL account, right?
Correct. Yeah. If it is expense means what? It is services. No, services means expensive.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, yes, sir. Sir, I have another one.
Guys, class is running. Why interrupting, sir?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Sir, in GL account, in the space bar, we enter. Startup account is
His voice is not clear, sir. Can you
Yeah,
continue
yeah,
the class, sir?
Yes, yes, we will continue. Mm-hmm.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in the cell GL account, we will get 50,000 plus, and in a normal GL, we will get minus 50,000. Why, sir?
Did you say?
Special GL, we will get plus symbol, sir, for payment. In the normal GL, we will get minus of.
This question is for everybody. I discussed this yesterday also, correct?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
plus means you are
We
paying
have
the
paid
money,
in
positive.
advance.
Minus means you have to pay.
It's a asset for us, no, sir?
Yes. Okay, right, no problem. We will continue now. Partial down payment if you want goods and services worth 50,000. Vendor is, what is that? It is saying, yeah, vendor is asking us to pay. To pay what? To pay
In advance.
50,000 as advance. Correct. Yeah. Yeah. So some value, not full value, some value as advance. Correct. Now. Okay, good. Next. So here what is that we have done yesterday? So before this 100% down payment, let me discuss what we have done. Before this we have done 100% down payment now. So in 100% down payment, what was it? Right? If you want goods and services worth 50,000, so I am copying this. I am putting it down here. What the vendor is asking us to pay full value, right? That is
Full value.
Full value, that is 50,000 as advance. Okay. So what we have done here, F-48, make down payment to vendor. So how much down payment we have done?
50,000.
Is it plus or minus? Plus it is, and it is a special GL transaction. Correct. Good. Next what will come? FB60 invoice will come. Post vendor invoice. How much?
Normal account. Normal account.
50,000 minus, it is a normal.
Normal share.
Then in F-44 which is
Match and clear.
correct.
Match and clear.
Good. Now same thing I am going to do. I have already shown you 100% down payment. Today I am going to show you the partial down payment. Okay. Now here you tell me what should I do. Now I will show you whether any open items I have. /n FBL1N. What is our company code? TEE, right? Who is our vendor number? 38, right? Yeah, execute.
No.
So there are special and normal, both I am taking. Execute. Whether we have any open items?
No.
No open items, right? Yeah. Okay, so now I am starting fresh. Just a minute. Okay, now I am going to make the down payment, right? What is the T code? /n F-48.
48.
Sir, can you please show the notepad once, sir?
I will show later, yeah? Once I complete, I will show. Yeah. No. Okay, so now here, what is the T code? What is the date? 29, right? Next. Okay, who is the vendor?
Can you please show the notepad?
Yeah, I will show. Just wait. No. Special GL account. Yeah. Or else you can see. Now you can go. Bank account. Amount how much we are paying?
20,000.
So special GL indicator A. Okay, note down, I am paying how much down payment here? 20,000. But how much material we want? 50,000, right? Okay, press enter. So I am putting star here. Yeah, advance I am paying how much? 20,000 advance. Okay, save. So we paid 20,000 as advance. Okay, where I can see this now? In FBL
Special
normal or special? Special. With what symbol?
symbol.
A
symbol.
Okay. That's next. Next. So now I will show you the notepad. So we are here, right? So I went to F-48, and what did I do? What will I do? I will make down payment to vendor. How much it is? 20,000 plus, and it is a special GL. Agreed? Good. Next. So now what will happen? I paid 20,000 as advance to the vendor, right? Now what he is supposed to do now? What he should do?
He should give us an invoice. Reading.
No. First he has to provide the goods and services. Okay. How much worth goods and services?
50,000.
50,000.
50 or 20?
50,000.
50,000. Correct? Yeah. Right. So now, we will go to vendor like this. So now I will go to FD60, right? So he will pay. So we have paid 20, but he will supply us 50. Correct? So /n FD60. Yeah. So now I will give the company code. What is my company code? My company code is CEE. Correct. Vendor is 38. Invoice date is today's date. Then amount is 20,000. Sorry, 50. Correct. Yeah, expense account is this. Put star here. Enter. Good. So it is saying 20,000 advance is there. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
It's correct. Next. Okay, now click on the save option here. So I paid 20,000 as advance. Vendor has supplied me 50,000 because I asked for 50, right? So he supplied me 50. Fine, happy. So what is the situation now in FBL 1N? What is the situation? Normal items, what is there? Normal items,
30,000
normal item 50,000 minus 50.
Yes, sir.
In special, I have 20,000
positive.
with A symbol, correct? So now if I select both of them and see, I will get the true picture. Right? So 50,000 I paid 20,000 advance, 50,000 invoice I got the goods and materials, and balance 20,000 I have.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, now there is now what I have to do now. So let me post this first. FD60 post vendor invoice. Post vendor invoice. How much is this?
50,000.
50,000. Is it normal or special?
Normal.
Correct. Next. So now what should I do? How much 50,000 minus it is? Sorry, minus. And now tell me. Match and clear.
Then we need to pay rest.
All of no. You failed. Can I do F-44 here? Can I match and clear minus and plus?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, match and clear. Na? Here can I do?
No, sir.
This I cannot use. What should I do? Remaining option I cannot do.
We need to pay. If that's 50,000 again.
Okay. Okay. So what I should do? How I will pay the 30,000? F-53 or F-48? How I will pay the 30,000?
53.
Because it is not advance, no?
So normal payment.
Okay. How much it is? 30.
30,000.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. So what is the next one left now? I have to, what it is? So here, before I can do the balance payment, what I have to do is I have to note down. Another P code will come here. F-54, okay? Note down. Transfer from special to normal. Special to normal. Okay, that is F-54. Transfer from special GL to normal. Okay, note down. Transfer from special to normal. Okay? Note down.
Yes.
So what I have to I want to deduct it from the invoice.